In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a video on Thinkific Landing Page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video front and center on your page, choose where it comes from, and make it look polished and on-brand. Start by opening your Thinkific admin dashboard. From there, head to Channels, then select Website. If your landing page lives under a different area, you might see it listed as Landing Pages instead. Both lead you to the same place. Find the specific page you want to update and click the pencil or edit icon to open the page editor. This is where you'll make all your changes. Inside the editor, look for the option to add a new section. Click Add Section, and from the list of available sections, choose Video. You're adding a dedicated video block to the page, which keeps things organized and ensures your layout stays consistent with your theme. Next, choose the video source. If you've already uploaded your video to the Thinkific video library, select it from there. Using the library is a great choice for a clean, ad-free experience and smooth playback. If your video isn't uploaded yet, you can upload it to your library first, then return to this selection. Keep in mind that well-compressed, high-resolution files typically perform best. Alternatively, you can embed a YouTube video. If you go that route, make sure the video is either public or unlisted so visitors can view it without issues. Check that the link is correct and that embedding is permitted for the video. Now it's time to customize the section so it matches your brand and communicates clearly. Add a concise title and a short description that tells visitors what they'll get from watching. This helps set expectations and encourages clicks. You can also set a background image for the section to create a more cohesive look. Choose an image that complements your video and ensures the text remains readable. High-contrast images and simple backgrounds usually work best. Keep an eye on how the layout adapts to different screen sizes so nothing important gets cropped or hidden. When you're happy with everything, save your changes. Look for the Save option in the editor and confirm your updates. Saving ensures your video section is stored and ready for visitors, based on your site's publishing settings. That's it. You've opened the page editor, added a video section, selected your video, customized the content and visuals, and saved your changes. You now have a compelling video on your Thinkific landing page.